how to make plant in Little Alchemy. If you want to make plant in Little Alchemy, you want to first open up the game, and here we have air, earth, fire and water, the four basic elements. Now what we will do is we'll combine earth and water to create a mud. We will combine air and air to create pressure. Then we will combine earth to pressure to create a stone. Now we will select stone and mud to basically create a clay. Once we have clay, we will combine water and water to create a puddle. Puddle and puddle to create a pond. Pond and pond to create a lake, right? So combine pond and pond to create a lake. Then lake and lake to go ahead and then create a sea. Once we have sea, we can combine earth and sea. So we will go to earth and sea to go ahead and then basically create a primordial soup. Now we will combine primordial soup and energy. So for energy, we will combine fire and fire to create energy. Then we will combine energy to primordial soup to create life. Now all we have to do is basically combine life and soil. Now to make soil, you just need earth and you need life to basically go ahead and then create a soil. And all you have to do is you'll be able to see we just need to add life and soil. Now we will go to life and we will add it to soil, and just like that we have our plant. This way you'll be able to make plant in Little Alchemy. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.